ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel face of paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a change for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? It's like you've been awakened, every rule I had you breaking is the reason I'm taking. Are you never gonna shut you out? Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see you hello. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can see you hello. Pray I won't fade away. Hello. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane, come a rainbow. Maybe you're a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, my heart will blow, and when it's time you know, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show them what you're worth. Make them go whoa, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Kill me like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls, and you ever did was break me. Yeah, you break me. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside you, you, you. And now it's time to let it through. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside you, you, you. And now it's time to let it through. Ouais, c'était vachement cool. Ok.